Welcome to Module 6. We've come a long way. So in this point, we will be talking about collaborative design. How can you collaborate using FigJam? So what is FigJam? In this module, you will learn, you will have a brief introduction to FigJam. You brainstorm and ideate using FigJam. You create collaborative workflows in remote teams, and you integrate FigJam with Figma and other tools. So what is FigJam? FigJam is a digital whiteboard solution that is used for brainstorming and collaborating. So it's where your teams come together, you outline your ideas, you put them on your whiteboard. It's like your whiteboard with your marker. You can draw, you can connect things together. You brainstorm with your team. You can invite every member of your team onto FigJam, and everybody, it can provide feedback, they can give ideas, they can essentially pick your solution apart and bring forth something actually good that everyone is aligned with. So what tools are available to you in FigJam? You have your sticky notes, you have your shapes, you have your connectors, and you have your templates, which are the things that you use to actually put out a cohesive solution, a cohesive flow, a cohesive user journey map, a cohesive persona set. That is what FigJam is used for. So you can actually visualize all these things that you're writing on paper. You don't need to be writing them on paper. You can go into FigJam and use FigJam to solve that collaborative need. So what are the brainstorming techniques that we have? Now all your team is there. How do you brainstorm? By creating mind maps, by doing dot voting on specific elements or items, then flow diagramming, so which is your user flow. You create a user flow diagram. So I'll go into mind mapping. So mind mapping is a visual way of organizing ideas. You start with a central topic and then you branch out into related ideas, helping you brainstorm, plan, understand, and even create new concepts very quickly. So it helps you brainstorm, plan, understand concepts, and generate new concepts very quickly. Now, what is dot voting? Dot voting is a method for decision making in groups. So you have a large group and you want to decide on something. You can use dot voting where everyone gets a set number of dots, which are going to be their votes, and then they place them on the idea that they prefer. So you see how it works. So if they say, let us decide, are we going to create this button? Are we going to create this flow? Are we going to create this module? Everyone can actually pitch in and say, okay, I am in support of this. I am not in support of this. So it gives an open environment for everyone to lay out their concerns and actually create the solution that everyone is aligned with. The idea with the most dots wins or is prioritized, obviously. So next is user flow diagramming. So this helps with creating diagrams that shows the steps, process, sequence of actions from start to finish, from entry to problem solving. It is useful for planning user journeys, user workflows, and or system processes. It's used for planning user journeys, user workflows, and system processes. So remote team collaboration is facilitated by real-time editing. So anything you edit in Figma is seen in real time. Real-time comments. If you make a comment, everyone can see it in real time. Then shared boards. It is one canvas. It's one whiteboard that everyone is on. So you can see everybody moving around on your board. That is what FigJam actually aims to capture for a collaborative team. Now, what is your class activity for this module? You have to conduct a FigJam user flow mapping session. Find someone that you would like to collaborate with, invite them to your FigJam board, and conduct a user flow mapping or diagramming session. Thank you very much.